Hello, good morning. We're having our, I wear my new duster. Very refreshing kasi to sleep. We're having our family brunch at home lang for the work from Singapore. April 23, 2026. There's my son Henry John also sleeping. Just listen po yung signature of our and listen po. 74 years of Singaporean retired. Okay, we're having Hokkaido Japanese noodles, chicken, luncheon meat again, with fried chicken. Okay, enjoy folks, my sunshine there. Enjoy folks at home for the work of Singapore.